Partition of India was one of the most unfortunate events in the history of humanity, which took life of almost 2 million people, and around 15 million people had to move from one place to another place to search a new home. They were reduced to the status of refugee on their own land. The man responsible for the divisions of India was none other than Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So friend, in this video, I will be talking about the big secret kept by Jinnah, which turned out to be the best kept secret of that time. So friend, my name is Vinkesi. I welcome you all in my channel, Voice of a Dreamer. So let's know what was that big secret kept by Jinnah. The then Prime Minister of England, Clement Attlee, announced that by June 1948, British will leave India. Due to this announcement, Muslim League, led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah, intensified their demand for separate homeland for Muslim. Jinnah rejected every offer made by Congress, British and Mahatma Gandhi. Jinnah wanted nothing but Pakistan. British, Mahatma Gandhi and other senior leaders of Congress tried to convince Jinnah, but in vain. Jinnah rejected the proposals of Cripps Mission. He rejected the proposals of Cabinet Mission, and he even opposed the Constituent Assembly. It is said that once Mahatma Gandhi offered him the Prime Ministership of United India, but nothing worked. Jinnah's Muslim League started taking help of violence. In many parts of India, communal violence, communal riots started taking place. We all know Jinnah's Direct Action Day that took place on 16 August 1946, in which thousands of Hindu and Muslims were killed. On one hand, Jinnah was very firm on his demand of Pakistan, but on the other hand, his death was approaching near. Yes, you heard it right. His death was approaching near. His health started deteriorating. He met with his trusted Parsi physicians, and his physicians told him that he was on the last stage of tuberculosis. In that time, tuberculosis was very fatal disease and it was hard to cure them. His physicians told him that he had only 1 or 2 years time left in his hand. Jinnah felt that if British and Congress will come to know about this, they will delay the independence. So he kept it secret and he told his physician to do the same. This fact has been disclosed in a book, Freedom at Midnight, written by Larry Collins and Dominic Lapierre. They argue in the book that partition of India would have been avoided if the most closely guarded secret in India had become known. Jinnah was suffering from tuberculosis, which was slowly but surely killing him. Jinnah was the most influential leader of Muslim League. There were no other leader as influential as Jinnah in Muslim League. So in the absence of Jinnah, it would have been easier for British and Congress to convince the leaders of Muslim League in favor of United India. When the last British Viceroy of India, Mountbatten, came to know about this secret, he told that if I had only known all this at the time, the course of history would have been different. I would have delayed the independence for several months. There would have been no Pakistan. After 1 year of independence, Muhammad Ali Jinnah died on 11 September 1948. So this video was all about the big secret kept by Jinnah. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Hind.